What's up, y'all? Back with another video. Today we are going to be taking this thing into launch mode, and we got a couple individuals that are going to be able to experience top speed at its finest. Well, I wouldn't say top speed, but pretty fast speed. So let's see how this experience goes as we take this NSX into launch mode. All right, so now we're gonna get this thing in track mode. Hold that knob down for about 5 seconds. All right, now we're in track mode. And now we're gonna get the launch initiated. Launch mode ready, here we go. Oh my God!
Oh my gosh! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Oh my God! Oh my goodness! No, you could literally feel that one. That one was worse than the first one.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You were able to see the launch mode in action. Want to give a special thanks to Andrew, his wife Selena, and my beautiful wife Christine for being good sports and letting the NSX take them on a little bit of a rocket ship ride. I will say that this video has brought to light the fact that tires may be in my near future, so stay tuned for that video coming soon. Until next time, I'll catch you on the next one.